Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today's video is on shapes worksheet. This worksheet is for 3 to 4 years age group and suitable for those kids who recognize the shapes well. So in this worksheet I had drawn some patterns here, and just like a word search I made a shape search here. So now the child has to find these shapes, the given shapes, in the shape search. This activity is really good for the child concentration and helps the child in practicing shapes in a creative way. So now let's start with our first pattern, which is a pentagon, then a heart, and then a circle. So if you are introducing this worksheet for the first time to your child, then make sure that you introduce this in a slow pace. So here is the first pattern. So child has to find the first shape, which is a pentagon. Here it is. Then the next one is a heart shape after pentagon. So here it is. And then a circle. So here's the circle. After this, the child has to bind all three in a rectangular shape like this. In the same way, we will ask the child to follow the next pattern, which is an arrow. First one. So child has to find the first arrow. Here it is. And then after arrow, the child has to find the next shape, which is diamond. So is this a diamond? No. Is this one? No. Is this a diamond? No. But yes, this one is a diamond. So child has to encircle both of them and then find the next shape, which is a crescent shape. So here it is, and then encircle the crescent shape as well, and again bind them in a rectangular shape. So once child has learned to do this in a slow pace, then you can introduce it in a bit faster manner. For example, the first child has to find the oval shape. Here it is. Then a rectangular shape, and then a triangle shape, and then again bind them in a rectangular shape. So like this, child has to do all this worksheet. I have prepared this worksheet as per Amish capability to do this. You can customize this worksheet as bit easier or a bit more difficult as per your child's age group. You can make this worksheet easily at home, so you don't have to rush for printouts every time. Amish has marked this worksheet as his the favorite one. So let's check him out how he's doing this one. So Amish, can you find first pattern? Where is a pentagon?
Pentagon.
Yeah. So where is heart after the pentagon?
Pentagon के पास Pentagon के पास होते.
Yeah. And is there any circle after the heart? Yeah.
Yes.
So can you encircle all of them? Great. So the next pattern is
Arrow.
yeah.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Crescent shape.
If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.